2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play the old classic, Leaving on a Jet Plane, by John Denver. But many people did cover of the song. So this song is great, wonderful, and also we only have 3 chords. So that's very good news. I got G major, the song is in G major, 2nd finger, 3rd finger, pinky. C major, 1st finger, 2nd finger, 3rd finger. We have a D major, 1st finger, 2nd finger, 3rd finger. And then we want to go to play sus in the verses. So it's adding pinky on the 3rd fret, E string, over the D. So different ways we can play this. We can strum the whole song, or we can pick the verses and strum the chorus. We can do this. The feel of the song. G major, C major, G major, C major to D, sus D, G major, C major to D, C major to D. Chorus. G to C, G to C, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, and on D. I'm not leaving, don't know when I'll be back again. We can do this for the verses, more like the original. Do some nice picking over the verses. So here I'm picking over the G. I'm picking 6, 4, 2, and then 3, 4, 3, 2. Very common picking pattern. And then we can pick the same thing over the C, just starting on the A string. So 5, 4, 5, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3. string, 4, 3, 1, and then pick 1, 2, 3 over the sus, and then 1, 2, 3 over the back to the D. So sounds good. And then chorus. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll be back tomorrow with more classic songs. Be safe. Take it easy.